At this point, the Prospex Speedtimer range has proven to be a winning formula for the behemoth Japanese watchmaker, so Seiko have decided to model this one, the SSC947P, after the famous 1969 Pogue Chronograph. Embodying the original colourful dial and the Pepsi bezel, this 21st century recreation is a fun and practical homage. Now, it must be noted this is not a one-to-one recreation. The case shape, bracelet, pushers, and crown are all modern Speedtimer specifications, which, depending on your personal taste, may be exactly what you're looking for. But I wouldn't mind if Seiko did a one-to-one recreation of the original from all the way back in the 60s, because it's got a pretty cool case design and looks very retro. Maybe this will come down the line, but for now we have this model in our hands, and I do have to say I enjoy the look and feel of this one. These chunkier Speedtimers are built very well with a stainless steel construction all throughout. With their solar powered movements, you get the best of both worlds in terms of reliability and accuracy, gaining plus or minus 15 seconds a month. A curved sapphire glass does an excellent job at keeping scratches at bay, and these models are 100 meters water resistant as well. So swimming with these on the wrist is gonna be fine. Wearing this model, you do feel it. It's fairly heavy because it's solid stainless steel all throughout, and it's fairly large with a 41.4mm case size. No problems for those who have fairly decent sized wrists, but for me it is a little bit big. I gotta say, I love the colors on this thing. The orange or yellow dial is amazing and it catches the light beautifully. You're gonna pop from across the room when wearing this watch. But what do you think? Would you wear this colorful Seiko Speedtimer? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to hit like if you like this video, subscribe for more watch unboxings, and I'll catch you in the next one.